Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, functions of purchasing management. Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic, functions of purchasing management. So last session we had discussed about you purchase request and review and evaluate the question. So supplier selection we already discussed. Supplier selection is very important. So deciding on the mode of procurement, invitation to tender is issued, scrutiny of offers. So it means reply of a supplier to the invitation to tender is called an offer. So you will give the offer, then whether you can accept or not. So an offer is scrutinized for specifications, price, and other terms and conditions. Order placement, purchasing department selects a supplier and places order. Market research and information, discussions and meetings between supplier representatives, because we don't want to discuss directly to that particular person. So discussion meeting between the supplier representative. First, you can meet the supplier representative. Keep in check the latest development with respect to company and its product. Studies new development in production material and processes. Then payment authorization, ensuring all goods are delivered before payment is made. So you receive all the goods, then only you can pay the amount. So what is the purchasing cycle? So there are some stages in the purchasing cycle. First one, recognition of need, description of need, selection of suitable source, price and availability are determined, purchase order is prepared and sent out to the supplier, acceptance of the purchase order is obtained, follow-up is done by the purchasing department, because purchasing department follow-up is necessary, checking the invoice and approving it for making payment. So we will see one by one. So what do you mean the recognition of need? First, identifying an item that is officially brought to the attention of purchasing department. Issuance of requisition, the needed item and becomes the basis for action by the purchasing department. So what is the recognition? Then issuance of bill of materials, a list of all items to be incorporated into a finished product that the company produces. Description of requirement. So what about your requirement? You could given that clearly. The purchase requisition describes the required item. In order to assure complete and accurate information for ordering the requisition must include all necessary information. Selection of source. A right supplier is one who delivers materials of the correct specifications on the specific delivery date. Single supplier helps develop long-term relationship and reduce the risk and interruption in the supply. Multiple suppliers may not help in maintaining quality, because we have to focus on only one supplier. It will be the best. So may not help in maintaining quality and help get material at competitive prices. Determination of price and availability. So what are the methods? Vendors catalogs and price list are available for standard items. Negotiation, everyone know, because if you're going to purchase anything, definitely we need the negotiation. It's a bargaining between the buyer and seller. Inviting tenders or quotations also. If you're going to order that huge product, we are giving the tenders or quotations. So you are going to placing the order, purchase order. The legal order is placed with the supplier on a form is known as purchase order. You can see that picture. Order acknowledgement. Order acknowledgement is to get a definite commitment from the supplier about the supply of items. So these are the items I have purchased. I'm going to purchase. So follow-up is very important in the marketing or purchasing. Follow-up is done to ensure that the items ordered are delivered by the supplier on time. Though a general policy should be established for the entire purchasing department, the immediate responsibility for expediting is likely to rest on the buyer who places the order. So these are the 7 steps we are following. Next, we are going to discuss selection of vendors. Selection of vendors is very important, because we are going to select the supplier. So this is the process where the organization identify potential supplier for specified supplies, services, and equipment. These supplier credentials, what about that? Credentials are very important. What about that? Getting that reputation of the supplier and history are analyzed with the product or services they offer. Purchasing managers research potential bidders, obtaining information on organization and products from media sources and their own industry contacts. So this selection process can include or exclude international suppliers depending on organization goals and criteria. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.